My name is Angelique, and I am a part-time reseller on Poshmark and Mercari, and I also run a blog called Corporate Crunchy, so head on over there if you want to check that out. Today's video I'm sharing with you is my Thredup Rescue. So this Thredup Rescue, I ordered the 25-piece mixed clothing, and this particular box came from Illinois, it looks like. So I haven't opened this yet. I don't know what's in it. But for those of you who've been kind of wondering about the whole Thredup Rescue thing, I thought I would do this unboxing video. So here we go. All right. So we have the lovely polka dotted paper. So I'm just going to rip open it. All right. So the first item is a jacket. And it says E Studio, and it's a large. And it's very soft. Condition looks okay as far as I can tell. Brand says E Studio. I don't know anything about it. I'll have to look into it, but there is the first item. Okay. The next item is a sweater with a new with tag World Market, $39 retail, and it's a kind of a pinkish mauve sweater. It's actually not that different from the one I'm wearing, and it's got the sleeves are kind of this open weave. It looks like there's a little spot on it. You can see that. Looks like there's a little spot on it. I'm gonna have to see if I can get that out because new with tag is pretty cool. Okay, so that's that one. The next one is another new with tag, and oh, my glasses on, I can't see what this says, but the brand is Tool, and it is a large jacket. Yellow. See that? It's very cute, and it does still have the tag on it. So yeah, well, and it looks like it just has some lint on it, so I can kind of just steam this out and see what it looks like once all that lint is gone. But that's a super cute jacket. I think it's good for spring. Someone will like it. Croft & Barrow Classic Tee. I mean, I'll probably list it, but I don't expect to get much for it. Another tee. Let's see. Or a tank. Bethany Surf Shop. Bethany Beach, Delaware. I don't know. But y'all let me know if I'm missing something on that one. It's not that exciting. This is called Flirtitude Active. It's a small, it's a little kind of a crop. Yeah, I guess it's kind of a crop. It's a unique kind of color block pattern. I don't know. I've sold little t-shirts and stuff like that before. People are into that, so that might look all right. Here is another new with tag item. These are Ralph Lauren. It says size 16. I think these are maybe size 16 kits because they're pretty tiny. Like these purple jeans. And then if you look on the back, it's got these kind of cute pockets. But it does still have the tag, and I don't see a retail price on it. But that's pretty cool. It's always exciting to get new with tag stuff. So we'll see how that does. Here is a top, which has kind of this lacy insert in the middle. And this is called Day Trip. It's an extra large. I don't know. I think it's, it's not my style, but it's somebody's style. It's kind of cute, so definitely try to sell that. This is a new with tag, but it is a Time and True. I think might be a Walmart brand. So I won't expect to get much out of that. Maybe some of these things I can bundle. Let's see. These look like they might be yoga pants. Oh, also Time and True. Are those yoga pants or are they pajama pants? I don't know. This is extra large. I guess I guess maybe those two go together. I don't know. This is a sweater of some kind. It's LA Hearts. It's a small and it's kind of a fuzzy, ooh, it's a tiny, tiny fuzzy sweater. Kind of a junior sized soft though, but not this season, but it might work out for somebody or for next season. Here is a dress with tags. Reverse. It is a green dress. Let me see if I can get this in the shot. Low back. Is it a dress or is it a nightgown? Well, it has a zipper on it, so I'm guessing it's a dress, and it's got like a slit in it. So that's cool. I'll have to do a little more research on that one. Champion brand, medium top, kind of a workout top. It's in good shape, so somebody who's trying to get in their workouts at home might be looking for some new tops. This is Hinge is the brand. I think it's a medium. It's a tank, just a pink tank. Meh. It's kind of meh. Here's a Banana Republic shirt, soft wash shirt, checkered. Oh, it's kind of cute actually. It's got a tapered look to it. And this one is a extra small. I did get the mixed sizes box. I don't know if I mentioned that. When you do the mixed clothing on Thredup, you can do, typically you can choose a size or you can choose mixed sizes, but the availability varies. When I went on, I was gonna get the 10 item box for, I think it's like $38, but they only had like extra small and small. And I wanted to get some, because that's mostly what I have in my closet, because I resell a lot of my own stuff and I'm an extra small or a small, so I wanted to get some other sizes. So the mixed clothing they only had available in the $60 box, which is 25 pieces. Okay, so here's a shirt, Morona, which is a Target brand. I have to say I'm not super excited about the kind of the flimsy t-shirts, but this is what happens when you do a rescue. It's all a mystery. Here is a Banana Republic skirt. It's a size, oh wait, is it a top? Oh, I think it might be a top. Size 0. Because it's shaped like boobs in the front. So I think it would go like this. That wouldn't fit me. I'm not quite that small. So I don't know, maybe for summer, somebody be into that. Let's see, Worthington pants. These look like pants. They have kind of a, I don't know if you can see that, there's kind of a white polka dot pattern. They're quite long. But it's a nice kind of cotton pair of pants. Here's another t-shirt. Dang, they gave me a lot of t-shirts in this one. I'm not real happy about that, but this is JCPenney brand. So I might just try to bundle some of these t-shirts together that are the same size. Here is a Gap extra small shirt, which is kind of a nice light summery shirt. I actually have a shirt very similar to this that I bought at my favorite thrift store, and I was gonna resell it, and then it had like a coffee stain on it, and I was like, oh, I don't know, and I got most of the coffee stain out. For me, it was fine, but I just decided I would keep it instead of sell it with the coffee stain. Okay, so Banana Republic, size 0. And this is a pair of trousers. These are nice, like nice work pants. I know nobody's wearing pants too much these days, or nice pants, but maybe once everybody's back to work, pants will be in again. Here is, what is this? I think it's a skirt. Is it a skirt? Oh, it's a LuLaRoe skirt. It's my first LuLaRoe. I don't have any LuLaRoe. But for summer, it's tiny. Let's see, what size is this? This is a extra small, but somebody might be looking for that for summer or spring. Just a couple more. Oh wait, there's about 3 more items in here. This is a workout tank. This is a Champion brand workout tank. So again, you know, somebody might be looking for some workout gear. This is some workout bottoms. These are extra small, and it's kind of like a tennis skirt kind of thing. So yeah, it's got like the shorts underneath. It's actually really cute. Got this little ruffle in the front. Tail is the brand. So yeah, that's really cute. And last item is a top. Just Be Free. It is a 1X. And it's just kind of a basic top, casual top, or maybe even a workout type top. And that's it. That's everything. So it's kind of a meh box. I think I'll be able to, at the very least, make my money back on these items. I'll probably bundle some of the shirts or things together. Some of the items, I think once I get them kind of steamed and cleaned up and, you know, take the pictures, I think they'll be able to fetch, you know, some money. So anyway, thanks for watching my video. You can find me on Poshmark at corp_crunchy, or you can also visit my blog, www.corporatecrunchy.com, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.